tonight's the night for the Fiosachd, Màiri. Don't you want to find out who the man is going to be?
Chief and a grain of howdine. What in the name of God are you talking about?
You know fine well what I'm talking about. Don't you want to find out who your husband's going to be? Take the Ceirsle off, toss it out the window, and see who comes back on your line.
Oh no, I won't be partaking in any of that nonsense. Weren't you listening to the minister on Sunday when he was telling us not to be fiddling with this type of magic? Agus nach el coinacket it onas machosh. Don't you remember Angus Machosh when he was reading the eggs? Didn't he end up with a broken leg the next day? The devil got his due.
Och, you prude. Do you listen to everything the minister tells you? Give me the Ceirsle, I'll do it myself.
Shagoot, toss that out the window into the darkness and see who comes back on your line.
Oidhche de Oidhche. Oidhche de Oidhche.
Oh God, did you drop that on the ground?
If it isn't Neil Joseph Neil himself. I can't believe my eyes.
Nageaha boya.
Oh, he'll make a fine husband for you, Seònaid. You have a range up ahead of you
Coming in
now.
darkness, I hope so.
Come on now, Màiri, it's your turn. Just toss it out the window. Maybe Johnny Ban will be on the other side.
Oh, can you listen? I don't know.
Och, through the dorst. You always listen to what the minister tells you. Grandma, didn't you see Grandpa out the window when you used the Fiosachd? That's right.
Indeed, I did. That was a very, very long time ago, dear. And we did that. And sure enough, I saw his beautiful, beautiful picture in the window there. And I never knew the man before, but I ended up marrying him. And indeed, I can say, never did he ever look as good as he did that night in the window. Oh, look, dear, you're such a beautiful young little girl. You go ahead on the end of that. You'll see who you're going to marry. Go ahead, dear.
Oh, can you me clean, Chuck? I still don't know. I don't think the minister would appreciate if I was
Look.
meddling with any of this.
I've got the string right here. Just toss it out the window, give the dunach, and see who comes back on your line.
Okay, G. Duckerson's sports, just for fun. I do hope it's Johnny Ban. Home Mac a dance. He's so good to dance. Kohashit e kilmaropa. Kohashit e kilmaropa. Who's there at the end of my rope? Oh, Anya, look, but it's not working.
Wow!